Dear students, I am Ahmad Noman SADIQ. Today I would like to draw a very important topographical route with one road closed, and the name of that closed road is Cassland Road, which is clearly mentioned in the form of note on a question window of this full screen. Always remember that TFL will never show you this closed road. It is only written in the question window of the screen. Also, please note that this road is not actually closed on the topographical interactive map, and you just need to consider it as a closed road. Now I would like to draw this route. For this, first you need to press this start drawing button. When you will press this start drawing button, the same button will become stop drawing button and its color will also be changed. Now I am pressing this start drawing button like this. Now the same button has become stop drawing button and its color has also been changed. Now never forget to press this stop drawing button when you finish your route. Otherwise, your route might not be saved. This is also written in the question window, and the instruction number 4 is repeat until the route is complete and click at stop drawing to finish. And now I would like to jump into the topographical interactive map. And here we go. This is an interactive screen of topographical map. So here it is, the start drawing button, which is always a green marker. And here we have a red marker, which is actually the end or stop drawing point. Now first of all, we have to locate where the Cassland road is, because that road should be considered as closed road, because we would not be able to cross that road, or we would not be able to go through that road. And always remember that the closed road will always be in between the most direct route between start and end marker. And here you could see that this is a Cassland road. The Cassland road, which is in between the most direct route or the shortest route between green and red marker. So Cassland road is starting from this point and it is being ended at this point on A road. So this portion of A106 could not be used in this route planning and in this route drawing question. So always locate it accurately. So it is starting from this point and it is ending at this point. Only this portion of A road you would not be able to use this portion. But before that you could use, and after that you could also use the portion of the road. Now I have already planned the route between start and end marker, and I have avoided this Cassland road because it is closed. I will not cross this road like this, and also I will not try to enter into that road. Otherwise, I will get 0 marks. Now I will zoom in the starting point and then just I will keep myself towards the left hand side of the road like this, and I will now enter onto this A road like this. Now I am coming down and I am approaching towards my end point, which is the red marker. I could also follow this way. So it is also right. If there is a difference of only 1 or 2 streets, then it doesn't make any difference. You could follow either route. You will not lose any point in that case. Now I am going to follow this route. I will come on this point on this road, but I will not enter into Cassland road, but I will enter on this road, which is A road, Then I will come on this street. I will enter into that street and then I will follow this street and go simply onto this road, and ultimately I would be able to reach at this point. But always remember, there are a lot of one way signs here. So you always need to follow the one way and don't make any illegal maneuver by going in opposite direction. Also remember, when there is one way, you could keep in the middle, but it is always better to keep even then to keep towards the left hand side of the road. Now I will just continue my route like this. So I will go from here like this, and it is very good approach that if you draw your route at the top of these words. Now I will enter into this road, which is a small street. I can't enter into this. If I enter into this, there is a building. You will not be able to go further. Also, I would not be able to cross this. This is actually the solid line. So I would not be able to cross this solid line. So I would not be able to use this street. So it is very clear that I should follow this route. So I will go like this and I will keep myself very symmetrical towards the road. So I am going like this, and here it is one way, but I am keeping myself towards the left hand side to avoid any mistake. So now I will come here and then I will again keep towards the left hand side of the road even if it is one way. Then where I have to go, I will zoom out and see my destination, and here we go. So again I will zoom in and then I will go like this and keep my route at the top of these words like this. And then again I will come here like this, and now here it is one way. I can keep in the middle, but it's better to keep on the left side of this road, this street. So here we go, and that is the end of the road, and that is the end marker. So now, before pressing the stop drawing button, I will advise all of you that please check your route again whether there is any mistake. You might have done a mistake of left hand side or right hand side. So be careful that your route drawing must be towards the left hand side of the road. You must keep yourself towards the left hand side of the road. Now my drawing is complete. The route is complete now. I will press stop drawing button. So always remember to press stop drawing button, otherwise your route might not be saved. And it is in accordance with the instructions given by TFL. So here we go. So I have drawn this route and this is a stop drawing button. So I have to press this stop drawing button. When I press this stop drawing button like this, the same button again has become start drawing button. Now if you want to edit your route, you can do so just by pressing start drawing button again and by following the same procedure. And that is the end of today's lecture. Thank you very much and good luck.